So how should you brush your teeth? Depends on what you're using. If it's a manual toothbrush or if it's an electric toothbrush, whether it be rechargeable or battery. Now, rechargeable is always better because it keeps its power. Battery operated brushes will start to run down from the moment of its first use. But the technique is different. You don't use this the same way as you use this. It's a common mistake. So if you're using a manual toothbrush, and you want to make sure you're cleaning every surface of every tooth. So you've got to put your toothbrush bristles down where they engage and they get into the little crevice down where the gum and the tooth meet. A bit like cleaning underneath your fingernails. You've got to put enough pressure to get the bristles down there. So you want to put them down here and you wiggle. You're not scrubbing the floor, so don't attack your teeth as if you are. You just let the bristles go in there, and if I can turn that over, you can see how far the bristles go in between your teeth. And you just do a couple of teeth at a time and wiggle the bristles. And you've got to make sure you do the outside and the inside and the bits you bite on. So each tooth has three parts: the outside, the inside, and the bits you bite on. And if you do them properly, it's going to take you at least 2 minutes to do them. That's if you've got a manual toothbrush. If you're using an electric toothbrush now, whether it's one with a small round head like this, where this actually moves at 7,500 times a minute, so that the bristles move much faster than we can ever wiggle them, all you've got to do is let the power do the work for you. So what you do is put the toothbrush on the tooth, turn it on, and let it do the work. Each surface of each tooth, and again, you can see how the bristles go in between. Outside, the inside, the bits you bite on. I always think it's quite boring brushing your teeth with an electric toothbrush, but there's no doubt about it, it does do it more effectively. So let the power do the work for you. When you get to these front teeth, use your toothbrush the long narrow way. That's the difference. You don't use them the same. You've got to make sure whatever you're using it to the maximum of its potential. Always use your toothbrush dry. Don't stick it underneath the tap to begin with. Put a pea-sized blob of paste on your brush. Spread it all around your teeth. And then off you go. Each surface of every tooth. Take your time and watch what you're doing in the mirror. And then when you're finished brushing, spit the toothpaste out, but don't rinse out afterwards. That way you get the maximum benefit out of whatever's in the tube of toothpaste that you're using. This is handy too. A little mouth mirror can help you see in behind your teeth. Make sure you're cleaning every surface. And even better if you use a disclosing tablet that will stain the plaque-backed biofilm on your teeth, purple or pink. And then you can actually even get a better idea of where you're missed. So always pick your right tool for the job in hand, whether it be powered or whether it be manual. And make sure you use it effectively.